Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what's going on, everybody? My name is Jenny Mir, and welcome back to another episode of one of my toy reviews. Party don't stop. Party, party, party. Party don't stop, don't stop, party don't stop. So today we're going to be reviewing a couple of my Spider-Man toys. And the first one we're going to review is the main one. So, let's get it to where you can see it better. Where is he? I can't see him. Okay. No, it's better. Yeah, it's better if I do it like this. So, this is the Spider-Man 3 version. I know it's hard to see. For some reason, the lighting is not right. I'm going to try and move to a different area where I can get some better light. But anyway, here's a better glimpse so you can see it better. In a minute and 12 seconds already. So here we are. We got our Spider-Man figure. Again, Spider-Man 3 line. Oh! Okay. So that's it for our Spider-Man. Swing on out of here. Okay, the next one we're gonna review is probably my favorite. Well, apparently you guessed it. It's the black suited Spider-Man. Yeah, that's right. I really wish I had the Spider-Man 3 version, but this is the comics version and the somewhere in the ultimate version kind of. So yeah, here's our black Spidey. I'm doing the disco. Can you feel that? Can you feel that beat? Okay. I'm gonna punch you. Take that. What you looking at? Okay, so anyway, the next toy that we're gonna review is this. It's my Venom slime. I just got it today from a friend from school. It's actually some of that putty stuff or whatever it's called, and it's black, so I count it as Venom slime. Yeah. So here's what it looks like when it spreads over. So we got our Spidey. Hey. Spidey. Okay, so here's his hand. But anyway, this can tear apart and all that and stuff, so it'll dry out after, say, half an hour when you leave it out of the container. So let's keep it in the container. And the last toy we're gonna review, Venom. Show you something weird. Say, baby, give me a wet kiss. Get off me. Okay, we're gonna be doing the Spider-Man 3 whatchamacallit, a scene. So we're gonna do a scene. Get our Spider-Man so we can see it. Sorry if you can't see the black slime. Okay, we're just gonna do the scene where he takes off the venom slime and takes off the black suit. Oh yeah, we also have an Eddie Brock figure. I had an Eddie Brock figure, but I left it in my mom's room, but I'm not gonna deal with that right now. So,
Granny, who are you trying to be on here?
Venom,
When you're done, come here.
hang on.
I know.
I'm sorry about my mom. Okay, here's the part where we need to get this back in. Whoa. Huh?